Hey everybody, welcome back to Mills Cottage. I am Rebecca, and today we're going to be doing some arts and crafts with some dried oranges. I have a big box here of delicious navel oranges, and first step is we're going to dry them out. So what I'm going to do is I got a cutting board and knife, baking sheet with some parchment paper on it, and what we're going to do is take some oranges, slice them up until the baking sheet is full, and then we'll pop them in the oven for about 3 hours, checking on them once an hour. So first step is we're going to be doing this. I'm going to be making some wreaths, garland, and potpourri for Christmas for around the house, but this is the first step, and we're going to get a lot of it done. Fun. So here we go. Okay, so they're done. They've been going for probably about 3 hours, and you want to do it at 120, but the lowest my oven goes is 170, which is fine. And come closer and you can see how they're supposed to kind of look. So they look like this. And you can see they're kind of brown. This one's really perfect. It's hard, it's crunchy. There are some thicker ones in here that are a little bit more juicy. So you can take the thin ones out and put the juicier ones back in there, or just however your taste is. But that's why when you cut the oranges, you slice them, you want them really pretty thin, like that thin. So they do really, that's like perfect. So anyways, that's that, and then we're gonna take them and do some other things with them. And today we're gonna be doing homemade potpourri. So I have a pot here, let me show you. Small pot here, and the bottom is cranberries, and then I have some leftover green sliced apples. You don't have to use this, and then you can just do the oranges and cranberries if you want, but I have this left over and I'm gonna use it. So we have these, and then we're gonna put some cinnamon sticks and other spices in here. Everything in here. I have cranberries, apples, sliced oranges, cinnamon sticks. There is nutmeg in here. There is allspice in here and cloves. And I'm gonna throw some rosemary on it. I put water enough to cover everything, and then you just let it simmer until you're done, until you don't want to smell it anymore.
I had so many oranges left over, and I saw that Laura with Garden Answer made these, and I've never made them before, but they're orange pomanders. I think I'm saying that correct. And they were just an easy way to put in some cloves, use a toothpick to poke holes, and a super fun way to use up some of these oranges in that box.
Be making a garland, and this is just kind of stuff I've already had and used multiple times already, so I'm just kind of use up this oranges and cranberries I have. I have some apples as well, and we're just gonna kind of see what happens with it. So here we go.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat. everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby.
Alright, so one of the ways I decided to use my orange slices was as just ornaments on my tree. I had extra ornament wire hooks. I just put them through and put them on my tree, and I think they look so gorgeous, especially if you get to put them in front of a Christmas light. It looks like a stained glass window, and it just brings a pop of color. It brings some natural to your tree. I think it's just a super quick way to make really cute ornaments.
Happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah.
Alright, so these are the last bit of oranges, and I decided to make just an orange slice garland. And it was super cute, super fun, and when I'm done and I'm putting away Christmas decorations next month, I'm going to put all the orange slices and the dried out fruit in a Ziploc bag. That way they'll store and they won't get messy on anything if they don't store well. But this is super cute to use the rest of your orange slices, and you can just do one like this too.
It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed and learned something. That whole box of oranges was like $9, and I made so many things from it. We made potpourri, added it to my wreath. I made cranberry and orange garland. I made ornaments. I made orange slice garland. And there's so many things you can do. And the great thing is these slices, you can use them for multiple years, and you can arrange them and make them different things. So I highly suggest you grab a couple oranges, slice them up, dry them out. It smells delicious. This little craft is cheap, easy, and fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and crafting with me. If you aren't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see my next crafting videos. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.